Property managers, I'm Matt Easton, your friend in leasing and life, and this is my sword and shield technique. The sword and shield technique, it is lethal, it's deadly. I developed this for a major REIT client that was getting a ton of incoming leads from MultiFamily Traffic, and they said, Matt, we are freaking out that our people are going to be overwhelmed, that they're not going to be effective, they're not going to be able to close. What techniques do you have that will help them? That's how I developed the sword and shield technique. It works for property managers, it works for maintenance people. It will actually make you 300% more effective and 200% more efficient with your time. Let's go through the sword and shield technique. All right, sword and shield. What do I mean by that? If you've attended, well, that was kind of loud. If you've attended one of my seminars or boot camps on leasing, you know that one of the first things that we do in the morning is I give you a sword and a shield. Not like this sword, but this sword. It's way more deadly. So here's the sword and shield technique. It's very easy and it's gonna make you highly more efficient and more effective. So here's how it works. Throughout your day, whether you're a property manager or maintenance, I don't want you to go anywhere without your sword and your shield. Here's how it works to make you more effective. As you're talking to prospects, let's say you pick up the phone or somebody comes into the leasing office, you're smiling and you're engaged and you're taking notes. 2-bedroom. Great, 2-bedroom, I got it. What's most important to you, Cheryl? Oh, fantastic. Your office is 2 miles away. What's the name of your office? Acme. Perfect, great, yeah. Okay, let me see if we've got some 2-bedrooms available. You constantly have your sword and your shield with you so you can write things down. Do not use your phone. Especially do not, if you have an iPhone, do not use your iPhone, do not use your handheld phone. Why? It's perceived as rude, okay? In our family life, in our personal life, when somebody's looking at their phone, we assume that they're disconnected with us, okay? Even if you're taking notes on your phone, you're giving out the appearance that you're disconnected and rude. So always be taking notes with your sword and your shield. And I want you to write everything down. Not only is that gonna keep you more organized, it's showing respect for the person that you're talking to. All right, that's how your sword and shield makes you more effective. But you said, Matt, hey, it's also gonna make me more efficient. Maintenance people, this one is huge for you. Maintenance, carry your shield with you and your sword with you. Here's how it makes you more efficient. You got the crazy cat lady. You're walking down the property. Uh-oh, crazy cat lady's coming. Hey, Barb, how's it going? I want to talk to you about my cat threw up a hairball. Fantastic, Barb. Listen, I've got a couple things that I'm working on right now. Let me circle back with you this afternoon. I actually take my coffee break from 2:07 to 2:19. Swing by the leasing office. I'll be happy to talk to you then. Your sword and your shield is going to give you the appearance that you are in a hurry to help. And if you've done any sort of boot camp with me, we know that it goes way beyond the appearance. You actually are in a hurry to help. So have your sword and your shield with you. And when somebody is starting to monopolize or take up your time, boom, hit them with the shield. Listen, I've got 3 things that I'm working on right now. Oh, you have a drip with your kitchen sink. Drip. Kitchen sink. Dan, remind me again what your unit is. Oh, you're in 616. Listen, Dan, hey, I need you to go through the office for maintenance requests, but I've made a personal note of it there. If you could talk to Phil in the office, he'll go ahead and get everything scheduled. I've got a note of it there. I'm super excited to get this help for you. We'll get it going. Got it, Dan. Thanks. Bye. If you don't have your sword and your shield, guess what? You've got no offense and you've got no defense. Hey, Barb, crazy cat lady. See this? Can't really work really well with this. I'm not able to defend those things. I'm not able to take notes. And then when I talk to the lady about the 2-bedroom, oh, where did she work? Did she say she worked at Applebee's? I can't remember. What was it, 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom? Do you guys remember? Was it 1 I don't know. I didn't take any notes. Sword, shield, use it, people. That's my sword and my shield technique. You don't have to bring one of these crazy things to the office. Just use what I give you at the boot camps, your shield and your sword. That's the technique. Boom! It's lethal. It's going to get you more leases. It's going to make you more effective. Until next time, I'm Matt Easton, your friend in leasing and life. Hey, and if you need more hot, qualified local leads, watch this. I've got a quick video here on our SEO service. It's $7.99 a month to month. Boom! It gets you 10 times more calls in the leasing office, so you can be taking 10 times more notes with your sword and your shield. Let's do it, people. Let's get those leases. Let's talk about the most effective way for you to get leases at your community. Every renter searches Google for an apartment. At MultiFamily Traffic, we make it so they find your property first, call your leasing office, schedule a tour, and sign a lease. We're a certified Google partner and the authority when it comes to ranking apartment websites at the top of Google results. If you need more hot, qualified, local people calling your leasing office, give MultiFamily Traffic a call. We're at 888-683-5885. All of our services are month to month, and we get you leases.